In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change an OpenTable reservation if you need to update your dining plans, whether that means changing the time, picking a different date, or adjusting the number of people in your party. OpenTable makes the process pretty simple. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can make the change quickly and avoid losing your booking. Start by opening the OpenTable app on your phone or go to the OpenTable website in your browser. Once you're there, sign into your account so you can access your existing reservations. Make sure you're using the same account you originally used to book the table, since that's where your reservation details will appear. After you're signed in, look for the section labeled Reservations or Upcoming. This is where OpenTable stores your active bookings. Tap or click into that section, and you should see a list of your upcoming reservations. Take a moment to find the one you want to update, then select it to open the full reservation details. Inside that reservation, look for the option that says Modify or Change Reservation. The wording may vary slightly depending on whether you're using the app or the website, but the purpose is the same. This option allows you to edit the details of your current booking instead of canceling it and starting over, which is usually the easiest and safest way to make changes. Next, choose the new date, time, or party size you want. Be as accurate as possible here so the system can show you the best available options. For example, if you're adding more guests, keep in mind that availability may be more limited, especially during busy dining hours. Once you've entered the updated details, tap Find a Table or check Availability. OpenTable will search the restaurant's current availability based on the changes you selected. If your preferred option is available, you'll see one or more updated time slots on the screen. Now go ahead and select the new available time slot that works best for you. Double-check the details before moving on, especially the date, time, and party size, to make sure everything matches what you want. Finally, tap Confirm Change to save the updated reservation. Once that's done, your booking should be officially changed, and you may also receive an in-app confirmation or email confirmation reflecting the new details. And that's it. That's how to change an OpenTable reservation. If you're making changes close to the reservation time, it's a good idea to review the restaurant's policies as well, since some locations may have special timing or availability rules.